Good morning, guys. I am back in Arizona. I am currently at the Barnhardt Waterfall trail. This trail is a 6-mile out and back with 1500 feet elevation gain. It's a pretty good incline so far, and I think it's just gonna keep on going higher, which means when I come back, it's much easier to just go straight down. I'm faster going down than going up.
About all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and say, don't mind the wait, I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
Not sure if you can see from the GoPro, but all the way up there are small falls going down to that cave falls, and moreover down there. I'm drenched in sweat right now. It's hot and humid today. 3 different weathers in 3 days. The first, it was just dry heat. Second, snow. Third day, humid. Good job, Mary. I'm proud of you. Ooh, check this out. There's a campsite here. I wonder if you need a permit to backpack this one. And there is an overlook here. Oh man, that's a beautiful view. There are people all the way there on the side of the mountain. And this is the overlook to that campsite.
I know you're wrong, 'cause you're scared of loving, but baby, right now I'm too. Don't want a day when you say you're done now, 'cause you leave me crying over you. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily.
I'm getting closer. Whew. Made it to the falls, guys. It is very pretty here and cold. And the big falls is up there, all the way inside.
Know where we head in this reverie, and say, don't mind the way I won't play, don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
Check that waterfall out. It's so high. It got really crowded up there on the highest, tallest falls, so I came down here to check this pool out. get to cool down. That is really icy cold. I'm not going in there. That falls is incredibly cold. I was inside on that small area where the tall falls is at for like 5 minutes, and then suddenly a rush of people came in. There's like 10 of them. It's been a really fun weekend. 3 days, 3 hikes, actually 5 hikes. 3 different climates or weather. It was really amazing. See you on the next trail.
You know you wanna be some kissed. Here's an adventure you don't want.